Hi, in this video we're looking at this problem here of a jar containing 450 grams of curry powder, and it has the spices chili, coriander and turmeric in the ratio of 2:4:3. And we want to know how much of each spice is in the mixture. So first of all, let's have a look at this ratio. We've got 2:4:3, and we've got the spices chili, coriander and turmeric. And our assumption, and it's the way these questions are worded, is that the chili, because it comes first, represents the first number. The coriander comes second, so it's the second. Turmeric comes third, so it's third. So our chili, it represents 2 parts of the curry powder. The coriander represents 4 parts, and the turmeric represents 3 parts. So we want to work out how many grams of each. How many grams of chili powder, how many grams of coriander, how many grams of turmeric are there in this jar. So to do that, let's first work out our total parts, which is how many parts we have altogether. We've got 2 parts chili, 4 parts coriander, 3 parts turmeric. So we can do 2 plus 4 plus 3 to work out our total parts, meaning that we have 9 parts in total in this jar. So now what we want to do is work out the value of that one part. So we're going to work out our value per part. So we have 9 parts in the jar in total. How much is one of those worth? How many grams is in one part? So if we have 450 grams in total, representing 9 parts in total, I've just got to do 450 grams divide by how many parts we've got, which is 9. And this will tell us that each part is worth 50 grams. So I've got 2 parts worth of chili powder worth 50 grams, 4 parts of coriander worth 50 grams each, and 3 parts of turmeric worth 50 grams each. So that means we can go and work these out. Our chili is, as I said, we've got 2 parts worth 50 grams each. So to work this out, I multiply by 2. So I've got 100 grams of chili. Our coriander, I've got 4 parts worth, so I multiply by how much each of those parts are worth each, and that means that I've got 200 grams of coriander. And finally the turmeric, we've got 3 parts of it, multiply that by 50 grams each, and so that means that we have 150 grams of turmeric. And so last calculation we should do is we should just do a check total. Do all of these numbers work out? 100 plus 200 plus 150. Well, 100 plus 200 is 300. 300 plus 150 is 450 grams. So our jar should be 450 grams. It was. So we're all good. We haven't made a mistake. So that means we can now finally write our answer. The curry powder consists of 100 grams of chili, 200 grams of coriander, and 150 grams of turmeric. And we're done. And the way we work it out, assign which part belongs to which item, add up how many parts do we have. That represents our total of 450 grams, so they're worth 50 grams each. Multiply the parts by that per part amount. Check to make sure our totals add up. Write our answer, and we're done.